Hey fam. Third day, and we've decided to come back to the Sea World. Oh, shut up. It came right up to my camera. Oh, that one came right up to my camera, darling. Like at face, I could see its face. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. He wants to look at the camera. It's going to turn around and come up. It's going to turn around and come up. There, yes. Keep going. There, turning around. There, is he? Yeah. Oh. There, look, it's coming back, keep going. Hand under him. There we go. Did he grab it? Go, darling. Oh. You get it, darling? Are they? Someone likes the camera.
Mommy, put it underwater. It likes the camera underwater. So then it actually goes up to it.
Yeah, I think we've come to a bit of this story. I'd like him to tell you his background. Alright, Vic, go for it.
What?
Okay.
Is that for real?
I'll explain that story for you. So Vicky came to us as a rescue seal. Sam, what are we going to see?
So guys, what Max and I would love to show off first are what we call our husbandry behaviours. Essentially, they're the first things our animals learn, which allow them to voluntarily participate in their own healthcare. So it can be things as simple as a flipper present, which check out the underside of the flipper, or even a mouth open, which then allows me to check out those incredible teeth. Now for those of you guys in the first couple of rows, you might have noticed those teeth are looking kind of black and brown. That's actually really healthy for these guys. So they've got a bacteria which assists with digestion, but it does also stain their teeth.
Put a mustache on him.
Okay, we're at the Paradise Country. Just taking these girls to go ride a pony. So here, you get to meet Pepsi, Millie and Elvis. Ooh.
He's got no respect for that whole terrain.
No, and it's a bit big as well.
Charlotte. Big smile, Mum. There we go.
Thank you.
Alright, sliding on down.
Izzy, come.
Alright, come on over, sweetheart. Grab that ticket. Thank you.
I think you can go with Isabel too.
It's like we need to hide these.
Over. There we go. You ready? There you go. Scooch over that one a little bit. Holding on. Big smile at the camera.
Alright, darling. Look at mommy.
You ready?
Have fun.
Yeah. It's a bit harder when you have something to do.
Yeah, oh yeah, of course, yeah.
Good job. So it's a friendly looking snake, right?
Make a friendly looking snake.
So she's a professional, she knows what she's doing. It's going to be a dirty side. So just bring this hand out a little bit, that's it. Perfect. Just lay her across the front there. Remember to keep your hands open. That's so warm. Keep your hands open, that doesn't look like we're straight.
I'll take her off you and then I'll give her a pat.
Did you touch that?
Well done, guys. Good job.
Come on, thank you for that.
I'm gonna tell
Okay, looking up here at the camera. Just keep still. Up here at the camera. At the camera. Looking up here, sweetheart. At the camera.
Our camera, guys.
There we go. And in the second picture,
Charlotte.
You bring your muscles.
can you put your hands like this?
Keep those hands nice and still and steady.
Looking right here at this camera.
Keep
At this camera.
Keep looking, keep looking. We chin up a little bit.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Right.
Good
And then
job.
who's holding in the second one?
Me.
Yeah, so
Keep
come
it going.
through.
Can we do it again?
You're very lucky,
Just by
Charlotte.
yourself.
Yes.
Did you get it by yourself?
Hands together like this. And just leave your hands there.
Nice and still.
Only one? Yeah, two. Three. Four. Alright, I'll get you top of your arms down here, thank you.
Three.
Yes.
We might have to grab a second
Another one,
while
Paula.
to
Yep.
get through the line.
Yep. Alright, so get your standard
Thank you.
round.
Let's grab up. So cool, my darling. Oh,
Oh, good one, Mummy.
good job. Run.